welcome back to Green Stuff from a Garden Cat. So in this episode we are going to talk about some new tiny small moss. It's kind of a plant but it's not. So before we start this video, I would like to thank you to one of my best YouTube channel is called Summer Rayne. Hey Summer Rayne, we really love you so much and thank you so much for motivating us on plants. So it's really good for us and good for the environment where we used to live. I really thank you and thank you so much for all the videos and effort for us. So before we start in this video, I would like to just give you a small heads up on the new things. What we are going to do is there is tiny small moss kind of plant. I'm still not found that name of that, but if you have the name, you please share in the comment below. And this moss type of another video we have made earlier, that project went really superb, so that you can check from that I button. And where this time we are going to make a small pot of bonsai with the moss plant, so it will be look really amazing, I am hoping. So I will be showing you the soil making to planting this moss in your pot and some caring tips definitely. To plant this tiny bonsai, we need to make some sort of soil where they can live actually, and as they are growing a lot in a moist area, so we need to have a sort of soil where we can keep the water and moisture always to make the better performance. So let's make the soil. So here what we have done is given the compost. It is well decomposed in the soil, this compost soil, and this is definitely tiny amount of coco peat, and then we are giving regular soil. So we'll just mash it here and we'll mix, and this is the mixture of leaves from the plant. It is also decomposed and it will be mixed in the soil fully. So let's just mix this whole thing. Right after making the soil, we are going to put this soil into the pot and we'll keep in the rain as it is raining. So this plant is really good time to plant in this rain. So you can try in your home while it is raining, or you can even use your regular spray, which looks like this, to moist the soil. So it would be good for the plant hydration. Sort of pot, make sure it has well drainage system, or if it is not there, you need to make it by making some hole inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure it's just we'll just press and make sure it's good inside in the pot. We'll fill it nicely. So finally we have collected these plants from the outside of the wall, and as you can see, there are some root systems like very small, and there are another type of root system is having very deep. If I take it more closer, you can see the plant size and the root size is quite similar. So, and these pots are even ready to plant moss fern. This moss plant, I would rather say, is moss plant, as I don't have any name for that. So as you can see, these are growing in the bricks wall very well, so we can add some stones, slightly stones in the pot, so the mixture of the soil and this plant would be good to give a proper composition for this plant. So let's start planting on this. I would rather give some space here and we'll put some stone, so it will make some good drainage system inside, and I will keep this plant. It's already looking nice. Good morning, guys. So today I just woke up and I just wanted to see what we had done yesterday. I just want to get an update of those plants. Oh wow, it looks great. It's like it's looking more healthier than yesterday, so it's standing very well. And let me see the root. Yeah, it's the bottoms are really getting strong, and the moisture level is okay, so it looks like strong. Yeah, this is just an update I just want to show you, because what we have done yesterday, so far it was good, and I just want to check that what are the soils and everything what we have done, are those working well or not. So this will be easy for you guys to understand my video that is working or not. So further you can try in your home. So this is really nice idea. If you think this pot you can change, then this video will be superb, and this will be an amazing stuff to keep in your room beside the window. So we'll not keep this in direct sunlight, we'll definitely keep in less light area, and we'll not keep in like in heavy rainfall area side. So we'll give water by regular basis by checking the soil. If it is moist, we'll not give any water. So if it is getting dry, then we'll give some water. So yeah, that's it, and hope this will really help you guys. See you in next videos. Thank you so much, guys, for watching these videos. Please supporting us, the Green Stuff Garden Cat. So hopefully we will be bringing a lot more things. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends who really love nature, plants, and a lot more things like us. And if you are really new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more updates and a lot of things that I'm doing in every week Friday. And please keep supporting me in this channel by commenting, sharing, subscribe. Thank you so much guys for supporting. Thanks a lot.